Hey, what's up guys, CKid here, and sometimes in the studio we get rather cool and unique items here. Now, if you're into that sort of thing, then you're definitely going to want to stick around for what I have to show you all today. Now, I've received an interesting but very unique wearable device that I personally believe is the keyboard and mouse of the future without actually having keys. Now, in today's video, we're going to be unboxing as well as setting this device up and giving you all a quick demo of this item. Now, make sure you definitely stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to be letting you know how you can win $10,000. And yes, you heard that right. If you guys follow me over on Instagram as well as Twitter, then you know I've posted a couple teasers about this. So definitely sit back, relax, and let's get right into it. Hey, what's going on? This CKid, and I'm back with more hotness like a third degree. Burn, you learn the words embedded memory. I'm giving inside tech, it's like a secrecy. Now this is where I was, and this is where I will be. By showing love and likes in the comics is basic chemistry. It ain't just a thought, this is what I foresee. Now hit that subscribe button right now and make reality. Let's go. Alright guys, welcome back. Now before we get into the unboxing and setting up of this device, let's talk about what exactly TAP is. And major shout out to TAP for not only sending me out this product, but for also being the sponsor for today's video. Now TAP is a wearable keyboard and mouse that is meant to replace and disrupt the standard mouse and QWERTY keyboard industry that we all know today. Now it is said that all you have to do is just put on this wearable device into your hands and you just connect it via Bluetooth, and any surface, whether it's your legs, your arms, your head, a table surface, whatever, can be used as a keyboard to type with, like using it for texting on your smartphones or smartwatches, using it for smart TVs, Fire Sticks, gaming consoles, and video shields, which I will be demonstrating the full range usage of this device in upcoming videos. So make sure you all like this video, hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you will know when those videos are released. All right, let's go ahead and open this up and get this all set up so I can show you a quick demo of how this device works. So here's the box that you all receive when you pick up one for yourself. Now I will go ahead and include links in the description below for you all to check out, so that way you guys can get your hands on one, as well as a $10 off coupon just for watching today's video. See, you guys are already getting some already. Now, opening the box here, the first thing we have here is the case, which houses the wearable TAP device. Now, not only is it just a case, but it's also a portable charging power bank with a built-in 370 milliamp that can extend the TAP device up to 64 hours of total use before having to recharge the case, which to me is a pretty long time if you ask me. Now on the side of the case here, we have a power button to activate the charging abilities in the case and a micro USB port for charging back up the case. All right, next it looks like they have a little card here that, now I'm assuming inside of this box here, it has the charging cable and some manuals and setup guides. Let's see what they actually have in here. All right, so the first thing we have here is the quick start guide here. We also have an operational manual, and it looks like this will probably be, yep, and this here is our micro USB cable, which we're going to use for charging up the device. So I'll just stick that back in there. All right, so now that we've gotten all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and take the TAP device out of the case and try it on, and let's just see how it feels and begin the setup process. Now my initial impression of the device is that it actually seems to be made up of some type of polyurethane material that seems pretty high quality, and it feels really comfortable on my hands. Now I can see that there will not be any type of discomfort when wearing this for long periods of use. So I have my iPad here. Now I've already downloaded the app from the App Store called Tap Manager, and in this app it will first complete an update to the latest firmware as well as give you a couple of instructional videos to help guide you along with how to turn on the device, which is just by pressing this button located on the thumb here. Now the next app that it'll have us download is an app called Tap Genius. Now this is an app where it will fully teach you how to type using this device by walking you through the entire alphabet, by using tutorials and fun games to program your mind on how to actually tap for a specific letter. Now let me go ahead and show you guys what I mean. A-E-I-O-U. Now I will say that was actually pretty simple. You really don't have to tap that hard. The responsiveness of this is really good, and yeah, I can't wait to see how far I can go. All right, so now that we've completed the training, which will take you anywhere from an hour and a half to 2 hours to fully complete to where you feel comfortable sending text messages or responding on Twitter. Now, speaking of Twitter, let me go ahead and send a tweet out right now. And the first person to retweet this after watching this video, of course, and tag me and the company TAP in it will get a shout out from me over on Twitter and my Instagram. So who will it be first? Now, overall, guys, I'm not gonna lie, it is a bit of a learning curve in order to fully master how to type using this device, since we're all programmed to use the standard QWERTY keyboard. But I will say, from just my initial time using this device, it has become very intuitive to use, and I've noticed myself getting better and better as I continue to use it. Now, I can definitely see myself using this more, as I will be dropping more videos very soon on how to use this while gaming, as well as using it with NVIDIA Shields, smart TVs, Fire Sticks, and more. So definitely make sure you guys subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on that. Now, earlier I mentioned about how you can win $10,000 using this device. Well, currently, if you're up for the challenge, TAP is running a contest where they will be giving out $10,000 to the first person to tap over 100 words in a minute using the TAP device with at least 98% accuracy. Now, currently the race to 100 words per minute record sits at 62 words per minute. So if you think you're up for the challenge, I will definitely link all of the rules in the description for you guys to check out. Well, guys, that's all I have for you all today. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to tap that like button, as well as subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you can continue to follow my journey of playing with this device and more. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.